Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Hive crypto trading platform on your smartphone. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you are connected to internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're on your browser, tap on the search bar and search for Hive crypto login. In the search results, you'll see the official website of Hive wallet. The first option is Hive wallet login, so tap on it. Now you will be taken to the Hive wallet blog. Here you can see the login option. You can tap on this login option. Now you will be taken to the login page of the Hive crypto. In order to log in, you must have already created your account before. If you haven't, here you can see the sign up option at the bottom left corner. You can easily create a new account from here. After you create your account, you can use those credentials over here to log into your account. Here you can see the enter your username option. Tap on it and enter your registered username. And right below that, you can see your enter a Hive key option. You must have set your Hive key during the sign up process. You can use that over here. And once you are done, you can see the login option. You can tap on it and you will be logged into your account. And you can then explore the features of Hive crypto website and do your tradings. So that's how you can log into Hive crypto. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.